दोस्तों, क्या आपके साथ भी ऐसा होता है कि जब आपके साथ कोई इंग्लिश में कॉन्वर्सेशन करता है और आपसे आपकी हॉबीज़ पूछता है तो अचानक से आपका माइंड ब्लैंक हो जाता है। आपको समझ में नहीं आता है कि आप अपनी हॉबीज़ इंग्लिश में कैसे शेयर करें। इस वजह से आप पॉज लेते हैं और अपनी कॉन्वर्सेशन को ब्रेक कर देते हैं। वेल इफ़ यस, देन ये वीडियो सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपके लिए है। बिकॉज आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि कैसे आप बड़ी आसान तरीके से अपनी हॉबीज़ को इंग्लिश में शेयर कर सकते हैं। और गाइस, इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद आप कभी भी ये नहीं कहेंगे कि हमें ये मालूम नहीं है कि कैसे इंग्लिश में अपनी हॉबीज़ शेयर की जाए। बट बिफोर दैट, अगर अब तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो फटाफट से हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन। सो हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सबका फिर से एक बार हमारे चैनल द हैरी सर अकेडमी में। उम्मीद है आप सब लोग बढ़िया होंगे। सो गाइज, नाउ विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। So hobbies are activities that we do in our spare time or in our free time. Hobbies keeps us busy during our spare time and it also brings us away from the stress for a period of time. And guys, nowadays each and everyone has some hobbies and so do I. So my hobbies are cooking, painting, photography, reading and listening music. And guys, among all of them, my favorite hobby is cooking. Whenever I have free time, whenever I have spare time, I just go into my kitchen for cooking and I look for ingredients there. And in some cases, if there are no ingredients, then I go to market and buy ingredients from the market because I just love cooking. I'm fond of cooking and I love to prepare different types of dishes. And I feel very happy when my family members and my parents praise me for the dish that I have prepared. And guys, many people think that it is very boring or it is a waste of time, but not for me. So I try to make all type of traditional dishes because I love to make traditional dishes. But from where did I learn these things? I learned all of these dishes from YouTube. As you all know that nowadays we can learn lots of things from YouTube for free of cost, and there are lots of YouTubers who teaches that how you can prepare different types of foods. Like I think you must have heard the name of Nisha Madhulika or Kavita's Kitchen, or different types of YouTubers are there. So whenever I want to prepare something new, I just directly go on YouTube and search different types of dishes. And guys, till now whatever I have learned in cooking, I just want to give credit to all those YouTubers because if they were not there, that I would not be able to learn all of these things and to develop this hobby of cooking in me. And beside the traditional dishes, sometimes I also prepare fast food like noodles, burger, sandwich and chaat and different types of fast foods. So I do not like to take it, but I like to feed it to my family members, so I just taste it sometimes. So I just love to make these things also. And if I'll talk about beverages, then in beverages I prepare sometimes hot beverages like coffee and tea. As you know that there are different types of coffee, different types of tea. I'm not that much good in cooking, but still I try to make different things. Okay, and in cold drinks I sometimes prepare different types of juice and smoothies also. So this was all about my cooking habit. Now let's move towards my another hobby. My next hobby is painting. I love to paint. Whenever I paint, it allows me to express my thoughts, my imagination on paper. So whenever I go to market or a new place, that time I buy different types of colors and drawing sheets. So till now I have lots of different types of colors like crayons, pencil colors, watercolors, tube colors, acrylic colors and many more, and different types of brushes. I also love wall painting, and in my bedroom I have made 2 paintings on 2 different walls. So when I started to make those paintings, that time my mother scolded me a lot, but when I completed that painting, after that my mother praised me. So I felt very happy. But because I am very afraid of my mother, so I do not try to paint on walls that much. Sometimes I also try to make sketches. I'm not that much good in making sketches, but I still try to make it. I'm still learning and I hope one day I will become perfect in it. Let me tell you, I didn't have that hobby earlier, but during COVID-19 we had lots of spare time, so that time I thought let's do something creative. So I just searched it on YouTube and I learned this thing from YouTube also. So whatever I have learned, whatever my hobbies are, I think I have learned all of these things from YouTube, and YouTube played a very major role in developing these hobbies inside me. And in painting, I love to make mandala art. So the word mandala, it comes from ancient Indian language, Sanskrit. So the meaning of mandala is circle. It denotes that everything is cyclic, whether it is natural cycle or a birth cycle. So it is a never ending cycle, it denotes this. So I'll just love to make mandala arts. Okay, my third hobby is photography. I do not have camera, but I love to click pictures from the camera of my phone, and I learned this thing from my elder sister. She taught me this, and for photography I got inspired from her. So I just love to click nature pictures, like clear skies, cloudy skies, different types of flowers, leaves, and animals and kids. So my favorite season for photography is spring, because that time we can see vibrant colors in nature. And my fourth hobby is reading. I just love to read different types of books, and mostly I am inclined towards spiritual books. So guys, these were my 4 hobbies. आई होप अब आपको समझ में आ गया है कि कैसे आप इंग्लिश में बड़ी ही आसान तरीके से अपनी हॉबीज़ को शेयर कर सकते हैं। उम्मीद है दोस्तों आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। सो गाइज, आप इस तरह से इंग्लिश में अपनी हॉबीज शेयर कर सकते हैं, और इससे आपको स्पीकिंग के लिए कंटेंट मिलेगा और आपकी स्पीकिंग स्किल्स इंप्रूव होंगी। सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। आई होप यू फाउंड दिस वीडियो यूजफुल। इफ यस, देन गिव इट अ लाइक, subscribe to our channel, share this video with your friends and with your family members. We will meet in next session. Till then, bye bye and keep learning.